Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Generally, the plural form of fish is also fish. It does not need to add s or es to make it plural. For example, he caught one fish in the river is a correct sentence. Similarly, he caught three fish in the river is also a correct sentence. It means that there is no need to add s or es when we are mentioning more than one fish. But the exception is that if we are talking about different types of fishes, for example, in the Pacific, we saw unusual fishes that one never sees in Europe. Then we add es to make it plural when we are talking about different types of fishes. As we have seen in the example, in the Pacific, we saw unusual fishes that one never sees in Europe. It means that we add es when we are talking about different types of fishes.